Assalamu alaikum. Now we will see the practice of the rules we saw in reading and in writing in Arabic. So we will start, right? We will start with this. I have ba, ta, and ta. So as you see, I have some steps to write these letters, ba, ta, and ta. For example, to write ba, I go number one here, 2, 3, and 4, and the dot. The same, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 2 dots here. The same here, and the 3 dots. As I told you before, here I have the letters in the same format basically, and the difference will be only in the number and the position of the dots, okay? And we'll see some examples. By the way, in Arabic, when you start, we say أهلا, أهلا وسهلا, or مرحبا. We will see all this next time, inshallah, just to tell you now. أهلا, أهلا. Okay, the first word I have is eggs. Let's see what I have. I have this letter at the beginning. It's like this. It's a letter which is giving hand to the next, and it has 1 dot under, so it's ba. And I have a line, it's telling me to open fatha, so I say ba, ba. The next letter is like this, and it has 2 dots under. It's the only letter in Arabic language which has 2 dots under, and it's ya. Ya, the name, but the job is the responsible of making the sound y in Arabic. So I have ya, y, which will not move, we stay like this, y. So I have ba, y, ba, y. And the third letter is this, ba, y, bo. And I have 2 dhamma. So one dhamma is o, 2 dhamma is on. So I say ba, y, don. Baydon, baydon, baydon. The next is very short. Okay, so I have this with dhamma, and it's like this. It's the same letter, ba with dhamma. So I say bu, bu. Then I have this letter. It's 1 on, 2 under, and it's ra. Ra. Okay, I know that when you want to read like this, you will not remember the letters. Check the other file of the previous time. You will find it written in English, so you will be able to know your letter. Ra, so Ra is the name, but the job is the responsible of making the sound R. R with 0 sukun, which means no movement. So I will have R. It will stay R. I will have bur, bur. Then I have ta. Okay, I didn't connect ra with ta because ra is one of the 6 bad letters in my town of Arabic language. So I'll have this, tu, tu. I have ta, which has 2 dots on. It's like ba, but it has 2 dots on. And I have ta with ta is the name, but the job is responsible of making the sound t. This sound will move, so will move with o. So we say tu, bur, tu. Then I have this letter with fatha and alif. Fatha and alif are friends. Friends to do what? Friends to do prolongation. So fatha is a. Fatha and alif is a. A, and I have the letter before, which is qa. So I say qa, bur, tu, qa, l. lam at the end. I don't connect it because I have alif before. And with lam, I have two dhamma. So I can say burtuqal since it's at the end. And I can say burtuqalun. Burtuqalun. Okay. The third one is the same letter with line ender with kasra. Kasra. So I say B, B, and I have this letter in the middle, like this. It's similar to B. And we saw before that there are some 5 letters we write it with the same way. In those 5 letters, which letter which has one dot on, sorry, it's one letter, it's noon. Noon, which has one dot on. We write it like ba in the middle, and it has one dot on. So noon. The name is noon, but the job is the responsible of making the sound n. The sound n will not move because I have sukoon already, so I keep my n. I will say bin, bin, bin. And the third letter is da. The name is da, but the job is the responsible of making the sound t in Arabic, t plus two dhamma, so it have tun, tun, bintun, bintun. Okay, so I just gave you an idea about it. Try to practice a lot in all the rest of this file. I will send you all this file, and it's a long file. I have examples with all the letters. Okay, let me show you. And try to practice all of them. You will have new vocabularies, and you will have the opportunity to practice a lot. As much as you practice, as much as you get it. So good luck, and see you next time. Next time we will see the common sentences that you will need in a conversation, at least to speak with me. شكرا جزيلا ومع السلامة.